welcome back to our channel, My Curly Girls and Me. All right, I have my curl box. It was delivered today. Today is Saturday, and today was the open VIP membership list, so I set my alarm and I made it. So I am on the CurlBox subscription list. Yay! Finally, the box. Okay, let's see. Let's open it together. Today is my toddler, our toddler's 3rd birthday. She is 3 years young today, September the 21st. We are in the middle of celebration. We went for breakfast this morning. She went to go to Kiki's Breakfast Cafe. And so we did that, and then we're gonna go do some other activities later. This is not the subscription box. I ordered this box for $25. Normally the first box that I ordered from CurlBox, not being on the subscription list, which was the non-subscription box, it was 40 bucks, something like that. But this one was 25. This was another non-subscription box list, and it's featuring Mielle Organics. Less is more. Inside, this is cool. Nice. Okay, so these are new products from Mielle Organics. Now I am excited about this box. And only $25, like, for real? I got the Mielle Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Hair Butter. These are some real nice size products, and for $25 only. And the moisturizing styling gel. Okay, I'm so excited. Hopefully these products smell good and they don't make my allergies act up. And they work good on my hair, because if you watch my other Mielle Organics videos, then you already know. Moisturizing leave-in conditioner. So that's 4 full-size products and a 5th product here. Let's see, moisturizing scalp treatment. Okay. All righty then. CurlBox and Mielle Organics. Yeah. Hey. Mielle in the house. CurlBox in the house. Woo woo. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. They smell really good. They're not overpowering. I can work with this. My nose can work with this. Oh, it smells so good, but it might, if I'm already like sensitive, I think that probably would have me sneezing all over the place. Not this one. This one's mild. Yeah, all the rest of these are, they smell really good. But this one, it smells the loudest of the whole bunch. This gel. But it's a real nice smell. And this smells good too. So that is the CurlBox box. So next month, October, I will be officially receiving my subscription list box. Sure. Okay, here we go. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, let me know in the description box down below if you receive CurlBox, which I know a lot of you receive CurlBox. I had you commenting on my curl kit video saying ditch curl kit and sign up for CurlBox. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Click all so you won't miss any of the videos, because YouTube sometimes be acting up and they don't want to be sending out girls notifications to her subscribers, you know. So you got to come back frequently and check, and then make sure you click all on the notifications so you will receive a notification. So make sure you thumbs this video up if you liked it, and don't be shy, say hi down below in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Lord, say the same.